Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Have a blessing day, guys. So, in this episode, you'll trying to analyze some malwares just for fun. So, it's not a documented analysis. So, actually, it's undocumented. We're trying to do our best that for analyzing stuff. It could be scripted, could be malicious, and let's try. So, oh, it's my first time to hear about fatal rat. So, there are a lot of rats today. So, let's try to find something else. Actually, maybe script. Yeah, could be PowerShell. So, let's try to this click fix actually. So, click fix nowadays is very popular. Yes. So, let's try to checking this rat and download it, and then try to extract it. Actually, let's see what it can do and what's their functionality. Wrong password. Again, show more properties. Oh, holy shit. Try to delete it, and again I think yeah, infected. Good. So let's try it's an icon, or actually let's try to need administration level by default. Manifest. So actually it can be run it as user, and it can be run as admin. So but actually it's some Chinese keyword over here, fatal rat. Just trying to prepare this. Go to details, no, some information. So trying to go to detect it easy. So let's see, get information about it. Okay, what's wrong? Open process hacker. I think wrongly I have executed the sample. No, I don't believe. Detect it easy. Yeah. It's compiled by so minigeo. Yeah, it's not it's compiled actually, and it's the text section, the data section is packed. Oh, it's contain the TLS callback actually. Let's try to extract or find any additional stuffs. Let's try to by zip actually. Extract here. Yeah, there are a lot of stuff as manifest. So, oh, it could be signed in some way. No. So why this security certificate is here? Or could be it's a junky ones. I don't know. Let's try to open PE Studio and conducting some investigation actually on it. Good. Some rare stuff. IMD P0. Let's try to in 32 Win API. Browse file. Just go to the download. Yeah, this one. I'm trying to search. Oh, so actually using this APIs is not for codes. All have been used now because it uses it kill timer, load cursor. I think something suspicious here, but I don't know. Trying to resource hacker again. Drop it. I think because it's get a message get client reacted, update window. Let's try to another virtual alloc, virtual protected sleep library A. Okay, So trying to use this process dmp.txt and wait for a while. Open PEBER. Again, same issue. Go to CFF Explorer. Try to load it onto it. Okay. TLS directory. Import directory. Again, user DLL. So, kill timer. Show window, update window. So, that's some kernel 32. I think it's some kind of dropping stuff. I believe. So it's for compiling stuff, okay? But actually, the one of the interesting stuff in this payload is so virtual protected and virtual query and open processes and load library A. I believe it's some kind of injection happen here based on the DLL. So ignore this stuff over here, but I believe it's trying to drop something. Okay, so let us open Notepad++. Oh, damn it. Where is it? Okay, oh my gosh, let's see. Good. Decode string. Just this one. Checking system time stability. It's trying to do some anti-VM stuff is. Yeah, clock alarm.txt have a kill timers. So, I mean this right, it may be designed for some specific time. CPU core, oh my god. 2 gigabyte. This code is actually this code over here. So it's a anti-VM. We can say VM detection. This code actually it's a VM detection. Let us try to find interesting stuff that contains some interesting stuff over here. If we can see it and read it, actually some readable. Try to see it, what's inside it actually. Okay, .exe, .dll, that's their own DLL, HTTP, so that's actually one HTTP, temp, app data, temp, run, so I think it's some kind of a dropping actually. Okay, I'll leave it some anti-VM detection over here. Okay, try to move another sample. This click fix and try to download it. And it's a PowerShell. I can remove this one and keep this one. Okay, this person is infected. And open Notepad++. Remove. Good. it's trying to do some stuff over here. So actually, uh, we have to try to, you know what? I'm just trying to copy it. Came here and trying to. I think there's some issue with my mouse. Yes, and just wrap it. Good. Good. Let's try to end. Plugins, environmental. So I did base64 decode. I think there's some other stuffs here. Okay, just try to remove this Arno. There are no quotation. No, nothing else over here. And remove. Okay, try to open Cyber Chef. Again. Actually, I got it. What it does. So, this one, let's try to make it like before. Good. In here, that's a MZ, okay? And actually, it's encoded to base64, and it's trying to after executing this PowerShell script, it start decoding itself and execute it. And I think this one is encoded. Let's try to give a check. No. This one. No. But we have to change some names actually, so let's try execution. Oh. Okay. Like this. And this one too. Okay, why? Because trying to execute and decode it, this PowerShell script, and create a shortcut on Start tab by this name. Very good, but it's trying to do some stuffs. So PC. Let's check it. PC AOLA. So there are nothing by this name actually. Or let's try to search it. Yeah, so let's try to search. What is this? Why trying to use it? What is program called assistant user interface? So actually, this sample is trying to do something. If there are any errors with this arno.exe, remember, if there are any error with this arno.exe that encoded over here, this one trying to fix it. So that's why it's trying to run cmd/c start in environment variable system root system32 pc alwa.exe -a, so that's maybe argument of this pc alua, and join path with this. Goodbye. and join those together. But actually, let's try how many times it has been used. 2 times here. Okay, so we can do one stuff over here again. We have here. Let's try to back, and that's MZ, and we can. That's a MZ. Okay, let's try to do something more. Actually, trying to date and google.com base64 to file. This website is very good, and just trying to paste it. Don't show. Decoded. We have to repair it. Repair. Good. And copy it. And back to the real operation. Over here. Decode it. Let's leave it and try to use the same one. Sample.exe. Good boy. Check the file size. It's 1 kilobyte, but actually let's try to do something more. I think we have a sample click face over the PS1. It's fine. Yeah, I think they are same because it's a drop it from it. Arno, yes, they are same. Okay, and just show more option and save a zip and extract it and processing method and change name to Arno, and try to virus total to how many detection that Arno or the PowerShell script have. Arno 24. The PowerShell script 2. That's very weird. Yeah, behaves like PS Dropper platform Windows Trojan script. Yeah, good. Okay, let's try to analyze Arno. Detect it easy. And Arno to here. Good. So Arno is not executable file, maybe. Arno has other stuff based on this detected easy, but maybe it's not right stuff. But let's try to PEID, and let's PEID start running itself. That's not valid PE file. So actually, okay, let us try to do some dynamic analysis if possible. I think it's don't require actually. Yeah, that's it. So we made our analysis. At least we do great stuff as great code reading, great understanding of this malicious sample. Skip it. Good boy. Trying to find another sample in malware buzzard. Good boy. Cosmo. It's my first time to hear Cosmo. JS. Let's try. Okay, try to analyze a Cosmo. Let's try what Cosmo is. Show more option. Infected. Trying to good. Just doing detect it easy and damn it. It's always it have some issues actually. Oh, because it's a big size maybe. No, it's a 96 kilobyte. I think the issue in detect it easy. Let's try to terminate it in task. Properties, details, open PAID. Oh my gosh. PID. Let's try to download actually. Nothing found overlay. Trying to any extraction through 7-zip. No archive. Trying to resource hacker. Just icon. Open CFF Explorer. Let's try to analyze through CFF Explorer. Maybe. Import directory user 32. Again, some drop stuffs actually. So it's mentioned it's portable executable, but let's go to Wintext and find interesting stuffs over here. Nothing. Disk.any. Okay, let's try to just rename it. Blob. Open Procmon. Run it. Yes. Agree. Filter. Process name. Blob.exe. So operation is write file, create file, read file. Okay, I'll just try to run as administrator. Yes. Open process hacker. Yeah, blob still live. Let's try to file summary by extension users. Oh good, trying to use a recycle bin. Not exe. Why from recycle bin? Okay, let's try to bin DLL. So, but there are no startup. I think there are no startup. Yes, no startup. TMP again. Copy. No. Let's just try to just get a pass it. I mean, just not from here. Just double click on it, properties, and try to. Oh my gosh, those stuff is. Oh. All expressor. So actually, I think this is not any as executable file. So actually, it's all packet all packed in some way. Trying to do exe. Or is either exe to HTTP? No. Temp? No. Oh, good. So actually, each malware have their own differences. Okay, so that's done, and bye bye. Oh no! Oh my gosh!